So I've got this crafter in and somehow need to fix all this damage. So looks like the C-pillar is bent. Obviously that's no good. And the door needs replacing. So take the door off, chop that off, put new parts, paint everything, fit it all back together. Happy days. So I've stripped out the interior, all the wood ply lining, and you can see, looks like that C-pillar is slightly bowed. Here's that way. I'll take some measurements and then I'll need to expose this metal here, so push that through. That'll give me some access behind there, so then I can use my hydraulics to ram that forward and out, try and get that crease out and eventually cut out the skin. You can see just there how bent it is. So let's see how we get on. So I've set up the hydraulics, so I push that out that direction, gives me some access into the back. So I've cut out this window on this panel. I need to straighten out this frame. It's only a thin bit of metal, box section. So we straighten this out, pull all this out in that direction. Got a new door coming, and the rest of it, just cut it out and change it. That's just a window there, so I can get access to that. So here's the deal. I've done a lot of cutting, grinding. I've managed to straighten that pillar out. The door's shut for now, but this is a damaged door. I've got to replace it. When I get the new door, no doubt there'll be a gap there which still needs a bit more pushing in that direction. So I've straightened that pillar out. There's a hole there. That's the access hole. And in there you can see this brace is completely knackered. So what I need to do, heat this up and push it in that direction. And then I'm going to seam weld this joint. So this here was previously damaged before, but I've obviously had to slice it just to give it a bit of flexibility to get this C-pillar in that direction. So the next step is push that out and fully repair that up properly. So on the inside, block that pillar down. It's this way as well. I've got this kink I need to pull out, and I've got to flatten that panel lip. This panel gets cut off at this point, so there's a load of spot welds, but you can see the gap here. So there's naturally a gap in between in some places, so the new panel will sit there, and what I'll do is then spot weld all of that back up and repair this piece here. Once I've taken the door off, I'll repair that section.